Hey everyone, welcome back to another n8n automation video. We are Agents Ops, a team of AI developers providing AI automation services tailored to any business need. In today's video, we're diving into another financial analysis automation using AI agents. We'll be leveraging n8n MacOS Shortcuts, chatgpt 4o mini LLM, and some powerful tools like MarketStack and SerpAPI.
Pattern identification. Candlestick patterns. The chart shows a series of downward movement followed by an upward retracement, indicating potential bullish.
This video is divided into two sections. Setting up a macOS shortcut to grab candlestick charts of any stock or cryptocurrency. Completing our n8n workflow to set up an AI agent capable of analyzing these charts efficiently. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Shortcuts app. If you don't see it in your applications list, simply search for it. If it's not installed, download it from the App Store. It's an official Apple app and one of the most powerful tools on iOS. Once you have it open, click the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Now, let's add actions to our shortcut. On the right sidebar, you'll see available shortcuts. Start by searching for Screenshot and add it to your workflow. Then, make these simple modifications. Click on Show More and set the selection to Custom. This will allow you to select a specific portion of the screen to capture. Note, on iPad, it will automatically grab a full screenshot. Next, search for Convert Image and add it to the shortcut. This step is crucial because Mac screenshots are high quality and large in size, which can cause issues when uploading to servers. This action will convert the image to JPEG, control its quality to ensure it's optimized for processing. Now, let's make it n8n compatible. Search for Convert to Base64 and add it. This will convert the screenshot into a Base64 string, making it easier to send to an n8n webhook. Next, add the Get Contents of URL action. Set it to an n8n webhook URL. Change the method to Post. Add an authorization header and the payload. To wrap up this section, add Speak action. This will verbally announce the result retrieved from the AI agent. Show action. This will display a pop-up with the textual result. Great, that's the macOS Shortcut Setup done. Now let's move on to building the n8n workflow. Now that we have our screenshot automation ready, it's time to set up our n8n workflow. This workflow will receive the candlestick chart image, process it, and analyze it using an AI agent. We'll be using Webhook to receive the Base64 image data, chatgpt 4o mini for interpreting and analyzing the chart, MarketStack and SerpAPI to fetch real-time financial data. Let's start our workflow by adding a webhook node. It's always recommended to set up authentication on both the shortcut and webhook for security, but we can skip it for testing purposes. Set the method to POST and update the path as needed. Once you add the last webhook response node, don't forget to update the response in the webhook node. Next, add the Move Base64 string to File node. This will convert the received Base64 string into a file, which will then be consumed by the AI agent. For the AI agent node, provide the file binary as an input. Write a system prompt instructing it on how to analyze the image, including guidelines for using the provided tools. We are using chatgpt 4o mini via OpenRouter and adding Windows buffer memory to store intermediate responses from the AI agent. Before selecting a model, ensure that it supports image analysis. Now, integrate the SerpAPI tool to fetch latest stock news and insights. Additionally, add a calculator tool for complex calculations. Use the MarketStack tool to get the latest ticker data, although it's rarely needed since we are already providing a detailed chart. And that's it. Our entire workflow is now ready. Now, let's quickly see how we can use it on an iPad. With this automation, we can analyze any stock exchange or cryptocurrency, generate detailed charts enriched with technical indicators like MACD, RSI, and any other indicators you prefer. Great, that's the complete setup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future automation tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.